Who am I? No, that is a wrong question to ask me. I would say, who am I to you? Sino ako para sa'yo? Am I a mirror that reflects your inner world? Or a light that shines you the way? Dalawa lang kasi yan eh. When we meet people, there are two reasons. First, tinuturo nila ang tamang daan. Actually, dalawang daan. It could be yung tamang daan at maling daan. Sometimes we meet people to show us who we are. Nagiging salamin sila. Nagiging salamin sila kung sino tayo sa kasalukuyan at kung anong maging sa kinabukasan. Because their life becomes a mirror. Their experiences becomes our mirror. Na pag ginawa ko ang isang bagay na ito tulad ng ginawa niya, maaring magiging ganun din ako. Ganun lang yung perception ko sa bawat tao na nakikilala ko. I don't think of any other things. But most of the time, I always think, how can I help these people? Why am I meeting these people? What lessons can I learn from meeting this person? And what lessons or wisdom can I share with these people? Ganun kasi ako mag-isip. I don't think of any other things. Though may nakikita akong mga malicious thoughts, but I always keep my mind and my intentions pure. Because I declare myself a child of God. Every day. I choose God every day. Hindi ako perfecto. I still have my darkness in me. Human nature, I could be a dragon. I could be very, very feisty if I want to. But most often, God would remind me, hey, sabi mo you are of God. Choose my way. Choose kindness. Choose the light. Kahit na minsan na, alam mo yung, gigil ka na sa mga taong palalo. Yung mga taong arugante. Yung nakikita mo na yung kababawan nila, pero hindi nila nakikita yung kababawan nila. They even go to mga manghuhula, mga psychic, dala-dala picture. Filtered na yung picture ko na pinopost. I don't post my real pictures. Of course, that's for my protection. I use the filtered ones. Tapos dadalhin nila sa manghuhula. Papahulaan kung sino daw ako. And then, anong susunod? I-spell. Gagawa ng mga witchcraft, yung mga ritual. Dahil sa sobrang galit nila, dahil nasi-threaten sila, nai-insecure sila. They do those things. They spend money. They spend their energy on sending out evil eyes na sinasabi nila. Evil energy. Pero nasaan napunta yung mga energy na nilalabas nila? Diba bumabalik sa kanila? Kaya tingnan mo, nagkandaletse-letse mga buhay nila. Diretso ako magsalita. Alam ko ang nangyayari sa paligid ko. And they do not know that they are being used by demons in a spiritual warfare. At the end of this spiritual warfare, sino ang kawawa? Diba sila? Yung nagpagamit sa demonyo, yung nagpadala sa kahibangan ng demonyo. Sino ang kawawa? Sila din. Yung mga taong hindi nakikita kung ano ang tama. Because they allow themselves to be embraced by darkness. Lagi kong pinopost sa FB ko dahil FB lang ang meron ako. I don't have any other social media accounts except YouTube. I don't have any Instagram anymore. I always post what you send out is what you get. Kung ano yung nilalabas mo, kung ano yung pinapakita mo, kung anong binibigay mo sa mundo, yun din ang babalik sa iyo. Hindi yun malas eh. Laging sinasabi ng mga tao, ay malas ako. Hindi yun malas. Yun yung energy mo na nilabas mo noon na ngayon lang bumalik na hindi mo inexpect. Because the energy that you send out into the world goes back to you in a different form. It may be in a different form, or it could fall in one of your family members. Sometimes hindi diretsa sa'yo. Sometimes sa susunod na henerasyon. And the greater the sin, so to speak, the greater or the darker the energy that you send out, mas matagal itong bumabalik. Kasi mas destructive pag dumating. Now, people would see me as intimidating daw. I don't terrorize people. Intimidating siguro dahil I don't pretend. I mean, minsan nga goofy pa nga ako eh. Minsan funny. Nakikita ng mga tao yun. I am myself. And people find me intimidating because they cannot perform who they are. I mean, kung ano yung daladalang mask nila, hindi yun, walang impact yun kasi nakikita ko yung tao behind the mask. At nakikipag-interact ako doon sa tao behind the mask. And some people don't want that. They don't feel good about it. Na may nakakakita sa kung sino sila behind their mask. I like face reading. I look at behavioral patterns. Kahit sarili ko, inaaral ko eh. Ina-analyze ko yung sarili kong pattern. Sometimes when I look at the mirror, I study my face. Not just other people. Why? Because I want to know me better. Sino ba ako? Bakit ba ako nandito sa mundo? Ba't ko ba nakikilala itong mga taong to? And then discernment comes. It's the same thing with meeting people. Minsan intimidating. That's how you feel about me. Because there's something in you that made you feel intimidated. But I'm not intimidating. Some people don't feel intimidated by me. Dahil wala naman silang tinatago. There's nothing in them that made them feel intimidated by me. Yun lang yun. Now, if you feel intimidated by me, it's not my problem. It's yours to find out. Do your homework. I am not anyone's homework. Don't look up for me or don't study me dahil hindi kayo gagraduate pag ako ang pinag-aralan nyo. Pag-aralan nyo buhay ko, susundin nyo buhay ko. You cannot fill my shoes, I tell you. Hintayin nyo, ilalabas ko yung sarili kong aklat. And you will see. You will read my life experiences. And you would say, you don't want to be me. So ngayon pa lang, study yourself. Do you. Do your homework. Don't do me because you can never be me. You can only be you because that's what God wants you to do. To be you and fulfill your purpose.